Hello guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video. So finally OnePlus have started rolling out that new animation engine update for OnePlus 12. And in this video we'll talk about every change along with camera samples, battery backup and even the performance part. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my OnePlus 12 which I've already updated to the latest build. The OTA started to roll out yesterday, few users received and few users have still not received. I did a local install and updated my device. You can see the current version which is 14.0.0.802. And another thing guys, after you install this latest build which is 802, you'll receive another update which is called SOTA. I've already made a video on that. You can see the video on the screen. If you want to know exactly what that update means, watch that video. So this latest update of OnePlus 12 comes with 5th May 2024 security patch. And the update size, if you receive it via OTA, the update size will be somewhere around 1.26 GB. If you guys can't wait for the update, I can provide the file in the description below. Just download it and perform a local install. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Now first let's talk about camera. So previously the camera app version was .007.220, but now if you see the version, it got upgraded which is .020.15. In our initial testing, I clicked few pictures. After this latest update of OnePlus 12, I feel the camera is much better. As shown in these beautiful photos, the bright colors and clear details in the pictures of the greenery and the poolside are amazing. The E-state view shows how sharp and clear images are. The close-up of the tree bar capturing tiny details very well. The playground and the mural shots look vibrant and colorful. Even the sign is clear and easy to read. Selfies are also sharp and clear, capturing fine details of your face and the background with excellent clarity. The color appears vibrant and natural and the lighting is well balanced, even in the bright outdoor conditions. I captured few portrait photos and they look impressive. OnePlus 12 camera ability to maintain the depth is evident, as there is a clear separation between the subject and the background, creating a pleasing bokeh effect. Whether taken from a side profile or head-on, each portrait showcases the camera's enhanced capabilities, producing professional looking results. Video recording also looks improved. You can see a well-controlled dynamic range. Also the lens switching is super smooth now. While recording itself, you can switch to ultra-wide lens. Take a look at the rear and front camera video recording yourself.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So I personally feel now camera is improved, but still I'll do an in-depth review of this build in which we generally cover battery backup, camera performance and other stuff in detail. But now let's take a look at the benchmark results. So here you can see the benchmark results using Geekbench application, wherein single core scores are 2186 and multi-core scores are 6502. We also performed 3D wildlife extreme stress test. In that, stability scores are 71.2%, maximum temperature rise was 45% and the battery drain was around 7%. With Antutu benchmark application, device scores 18,98,726. And guys, after this update, I did not see much of heating issues while performing these benchmark tests. The maximum temperature which I noticed on the device was around 40 degrees Celsius. And let me also show you guys the battery backup, because I've been using this device as my primary phone now. And if I go to battery section, till now you can see it's been 13 hours 15 minutes. The screen on time is 2 hours and 29 minutes, in which you can see here in the graph, I did perform some benchmark testing, due to which there was little extra battery drain. But still I have 57% of battery remaining. So I'm expecting with the first cycle, I'll get around 6 hours of SOT. So soon I installed this update, I performed a factory reset, and one thing which I noticed on OnePlus smartphone for the first time, that's the option to set the screen display during the initial setup. So here you can see, you'll see something like this, which lets you adjust the screen display and the font size. You have 3 options: medium, large and default. And now let's take a look at the visual changes before talking about the animation. So the first change you'll see in the quick setting tiles, and now we have 2 vertical tiles. One is of volume and the second one is of brightness. I have also mentioned in the review of OnePlus 11, I personally did not like the placement of these vertical tiles. Either they should have been towards the left hand side, because most of the users use their device with right hand and in that case, sometimes while pulling down the notification, you accidentally mistouch these tiles, which changes either the volume or the brightness level. So I hope in future OnePlus do make changes. Another change related to quick setting tiles, now you can see we have a transparent background instead of that white background which we used to see before. And the same thing goes here in the quick setting tiles also. But one thing which OnePlus needs to fix, like for example, if you tap here on the search bar, the background comes back to white color instead of that transparent what we get to see here in the app drawer. So this is something which OnePlus needs to fix. And there's another bug which is on almost every OnePlus smartphone having this new animation engine. So for example, if you open any application from the bottom side, let's take an example of Twitter application. If I open it and then later on I go to the home screen directly using the home gesture and then I open the app drawer, you'll see that instant shifting of app drawer towards the bottom side. And there is no transition, and I think that's a bug. OnePlus should take care of it. Then OnePlus have also added this new option where you can disable show track while drawing a pattern on your device. By default this is enabled, but you can anytime disable, and once you disable it, no one will be able to see what pattern you draw. Another new change they have done, and that's in the floating windows. So for example, if I open the file manager, now they have added a new gesture. Previously we had gestures like, for example, if you swipe from left bottom or right bottom, you were able to, but now you can also do that by swiping from the bottom center. They have also added a gesture which lets you close the application by swiping towards the top side. And now let's talk about those new smooth animation what OnePlus have added. Now OnePlus have added that zoom in and zoom out effect for the wallpapers whenever you open or close any application, which you can see here. How nicely the wallpapers zoom in and zoom out. And they have also added this bouncy effect whenever you slide down the notification panel or the quick setting tiles. They have also added this wallpaper zoom animation and a gradual brightness transition when the screen is turned on or turned off, which you can see here. They have also added this transition animation while swiping in from one side of the screen to exit an application before it even starts. For that you need to swipe quite fast. And you can see it looks too good whenever you swipe the back gesture. And you can see those transitions before an app even opens. And you can also see a difference while you are in the sub settings, and the transition is quite smooth now. Also they have made some changes in the enlarge folder. So for example, if I enlarge the folder, now you can see towards the right bottom side you have 4 applications, unlike before. You can just tap on these 4 applications and the folder will pop up. Instead of swiping towards the right hand side, you can use this option to open the applications which are present in the enlarge folder. And later on they have improved the touch control responsiveness, tapping and swiping on the home screen, and even the recent start screen is now faster and more stable. So in terms of animations, even if I speak more, you guys won't be able to understand. Animations are something which needs to be felt. So you guys let me know what are your thoughts and how do you feel now after installing this latest update which includes this new animation engine. Let us know in the comment section below. By the way, a full in-depth review will be dropping soon, so if you guys have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.